Dealing with constipation can be an uncomfortable and frustrating experience. In this detailed guide, we'll explore various ways to alleviate constipation and regain your comfort. We'll cover natural remedies, dietary adjustments, and expert advice to help you find relief. Say goodbye to discomfort, and let's get started on your journey to better digestive health. Understanding constipation. Constipation, often referred to as constipation, is a common diagnosis, hard stools, and discomfort. It can be caused by various factors, including a lack of fiber in the diet, dehydration, or certain medical conditions. Alleviate this issue. Fiber-rich foods. Incorporating fiber-rich foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables into your diet is an effective way to combat constipation. These foods promote regular bowel movements by adding bulk to your stools. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for maintaining healthy digestion. Drinking plenty of water can soften your stools, making them easier to pass. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Exercise. Regular physical activity can help stimulate your digestive system and relieve constipation. Even a brisk walk can make a difference in promoting bowel regularity. Herbal teas. Certain herbal teas, such as peppermint and ginger, have natural laxative properties that can ease constipation discomfort. Enjoy a soothing cup of herbal tea to find relief. Dietary adjustments. Prunes and prune juice. Prunes are well known for their natural laxative effect. Consuming prunes or drinking prune juice can provide quick relief from constipation. Limit dairy products. Dairy products, especially for those who are lactose intolerant, can contribute to constipation. Reducing or eliminating dairy from your diet may alleviate the issue. Avoid processed foods. Processed foods are often low in fiber and high in fat, which can slow down digestion. Opt for whole, unprocessed foods to help regulate your bowel movements. Probiotics. Probiotic-rich foods, such as yogurt, kefir, and sauerkraut, promote a healthy gut and may improve regularity. Expert tips for ConstipationCure. Establish a routine. Consistency is key when it comes to preventing constipation. Try to have regular meal times and set aside a specific time for bowel movements. Don't ignore the urge. When you feel the urge to have a bowel movement, don't delay. Ignoring this signal can lead to constipation. Over-the-counter remedies. In some cases, over-the-counter laxatives or stool softeners may be necessary. Consult a healthcare professional before using these products. Stress management. Stress can exacerbate digestive issues, including constipation. Practice stress reduction techniques such as meditation or deep breathing exercises. ConstipationCure FAQs. Is constipation a serious medical condition? Constipation is common and often temporary, but chronic constipation can lead to other health issues. It's essential to address it promptly. Can I rely on home remedies for constipation relief? Home remedies are often effective for mild cases of constipation. However, if the problem persists, consult a healthcare professional. Are there specific foods that worsen constipation? Dairy products, red meat, and processed foods can exacerbate constipation for some individuals. What is the role of hydration in preventing constipation? Staying well hydrated helps maintain the softness of your stools, making them easier to pass. How can I incorporate more fiber into my diet? Choose whole grains, fresh fruits, and vegetables to increase your daily fiber intake. When should I seek medical advice for constipation? If constipation is severe, prolonged, or accompanied by other concerning symptoms, consult a healthcare provider. Conclusion. Constipation is a common ailment, but there are various approaches to finding a constipationcure. From natural remedies and dietary adjustments to expert advice, you now have the tools to alleviate discomfort and promote healthy digestion. Remember, maintaining a healthy lifestyle, staying hydrated, and seeking professional guidance when needed are the keys to long-term relief. Don't let constipation hold you back. Regain your comfort and well-being today.